What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck, and today, guys, we're gonna talk about what's on my device. I'm gonna go over my device setup and some of the apps that I think are really dope that I'm using right now on this device as I finally get into the setup of the S24 Ultra. So this is just the beginning. It's gonna be more after this, but let's go. All right, boom. So I'm gonna share y'all what's on my device right now, and then afterwards I'm gonna go into specific apps that I think that y'all would like to see. So first and foremost, you see my setup is a 5x5 setup. Very simple. I normally don't fill in the whole page, but I decided to fill in the whole page. I don't know if y'all can see my wallpaper. It's a black wallpaper, but it has like some gray in it or whatever, but I just kept it pretty simple and black. So on my home screen is set up in this full. I normally don't fill my home screen up. This is something new that I've just started doing probably like in the last year, where I really utilize every inch of the home screen. This is 5x5. So the widgets, I got a pixel clock widget, a customizable one. I'll show y'all that when I'm in the app drawer, but I was able to customize it with my background. The hands of the clock was customizable and all of that. So very dope, because I like the pixel clock and I like the fact that it's a widget now. The app, you can download it and customize your own pixel clock type widget. And these are reminders. I'm trying to get better with set reminders. As you can see, old stuff that I was supposed to do that I might have done, might have not done. But I'm trying to get better with scheduling, guys. And just the apps, kept it very simple. Things that I use: YouTube, Play Store, Canva, of course. Content creators, that's a must. You can definitely create good thumbnails or media kit, whatever you want to create. Great text, backgrounds, and elements. Find my device, because you lose a phone and it's easy to find with Find My Device. Definitely have that on all your devices. LumaFusion, Google Drive, of course, to have, you know, I save a lot of stuff to Google Drive so I can utilize it later. YouTube Studio, any creator, you always gonna want to check your analytics and see what's going and see what's not, and see what videos taking off or see what videos ain't taking off. Amazon shopping, of course, that's golded. We go in there to get whatever we need. And then these are like kind of like socials: Instagram, Facebook. You can follow my Instagram, BG_Tech Life. Follow my Facebook, BG Tech Life. Follow my Instagram, my X or my Twitter, BG_Tech Life. My Threads, BG_Tech Life. And I also have a Telegram where I communicate with my good tech folks. And of course, on the dock, basically, we just got the phone dialer, of course, text messages, Gmail, Chrome, and the camera app. Now, I do utilize the Edge panel. I do utilize it, but this is just factory. I haven't set that up yet. I'm gonna put some apps here that I also utilize that I couldn't fit on the home screen. Like I'm trying to make this home screen where I go to my app drawer as least as possible. Swipe to the next page, and I just got a calendar in here, guys. I always need to know the day and the date of something. So I just like to have a big calendar, and more so I will in the future have more things planned. Like I'll have to stop just doing things sporadically. I actually do want to be on schedule with certain things and have certain things scheduled so I know what I'm doing and I know what I'm working towards. But that is a lot, guys. So, but yeah, I'm working on that month calendar to keep me, you know, up to date and on time with whatever I'm doing. Then right here, we just got a Gmail client, Gmail widget, so I can just, you know, take a glance and remember if I need to reply to something or talk to somebody about something. Just got it right here. Also, now I normally use S Notes on my the S24 Ultra because of the S Pen. Notes, I like to use Keep Notes too, and they got the best widget. I just like the widget, and this widget is really good. And yeah, this is a widget, another app that I got for widgets that are affirmations. So, you know, just good affirmations and stuff. As you can see, it says, this morning I'm positive and forward person, filled with faith, confidence, and enthusiasm. You always got to keep the positive messaging out there. And we swipe over one time. I was just experimenting with this app widget. I wish I could have made it smaller, but this is just a YouTube counter. But I guess it's a little celebration. We just hit 7,700 on YouTube. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and get subscribed right now, man. Let me know if you subscribed in the comments. I appreciate all of you guys. But that's basically what the setup looked like. Now, there's way more apps going on in here. Now, we take it to these apps. Now, I'm not going through the simple, you know, Samsung apps, the Microsoft. This is simple stuff. Some of that stuff is preloaded. Now I will take you to Blendy. Blendy is where I get all my wallpapers, guys. Y'all guys ask me about the wallpapers and stuff like that. I don't know if they got a slow server, but sometimes it take their wallpapers a long time to upload. But I mean, they have gorgeous wallpapers. I think I paid $1.49 for this app, but I love their wallpapers. Like right now, the wallpaper on this device look like one of these, but you really can't see it because all the apps is filled up. But this is what it looked like. All right, so Asphalt 9, I like to play that, and I like to use that to test the graphics or the display on devices and videos. Call of Duty, I like to do my Call of Duty gaming tests. And Canva Free Creatives, Cash App to collect or send money. CSR Racing, that's just one of my favorite games. It's like it's a racing game and you make shift like switch gears. So it's like a drag racing game. I like that game a lot. You can really customize the cars. Device info. Now I learned about that this morning. Very important app here, guys. Device info just teaches you a lot about your device. And when you're trying to learn about devices, review devices, and really, just be in the know about your device and what happens on cellular devices, this is a good app. As you can see, we got just everything from RAM, and then you can talk about the system, the CPU. We got thermals going on, all kind of things. This is basically how the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 breaks down. This lets you know about everything that's on your device, the apps that's on your device, your battery. If you want to know different things about your battery, the temperature, the health, how many times it's been charged, charging cycles, all kinds of stuff, guys. So device info is definitely an app for somebody that's in the tech, because it will really break down your device and everything that's going on with your device as you utilizing the device. Like, it's actively tracking the RAM and what's being used and what's not being used. As you can see, it's the specs on the display, just battery temperature, all the sensors and things of that nature. You can even run tests. So a really dope app for somebody that's really curious about smartphones. I was using this app right here, GCPU also, and this looks pretty cool, but I didn't like the fact that this app said, no, I'm not rating anything right now. I liked this app, but then it told me I had a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, so I was like, okay, this is not really that accurate. I was just feeling like this ain't that accurate if it's saying Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and I got a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. But this looks cool, and this does have a cool widget with it. So Good Lock is really good for customization and things of that nature. So if you want to customize your lock screen, or you want to customize whatever you do with your S Pen, that's good. I Am is the widget with the affirmations right here. What else we got? PUBG, I want to try that out. I want to play that just to get some more footage for you guys and B-roll playing PUBG and seeing how strong or good devices perform. And Pixel Clock widget, this is what I use to customize the clock widget on my home screen, guys. Subway Surfer, I like to play Subway Surfer a lot. That's another go-to game. Like on a more so budget devices, that's what I play to see how good they can game. I'm not gonna go for Genshin Impact on a budget device when I'm reviewing it. Wallraw is just like Blendy, another app with a lot of gorgeous just wallpapers that you might want to check out, and I think they both $1.49. So that was everything that's on my device right now, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.